Y'all remember me from last year? But no, for real. Let me reintroduce myself. My name is L'Oreal. I'm the owner of the Lanyard Lab. And if you're a girl, you're my what? Come on, say it loud, say it proud. I know it's been a while, but you remember, it's in the back of your head. You're my Lanyard. Yes, ma'am. And if you're a guy, you're my what? Come on, let's say it. Landman. Yes, sir. You got it right. Round of applause. But for today's video, if you work with anything with sublimation, sublimation blank, sublimation printer, I have a good little treat just for you. Okay? So, you know, with sublimation, you have the 2D phone cases. Well, what if I told you you got 3D cases too? You ain't know about that one. Let me show you what the 3D phone cases look like for sublimation. Before you even look at it, it's a misprint. So, no jokes. Here's your 3D case, right? So with the 3D case, it literally comes with the rubber, and then you have the thing over it to put on, to clasp something, a little something like this. And then boom, you know, extra protection and all. So this is what we call the 3D sublimation cases compared to the regular 2D standard glass or aluminum plate. And FYI, you cannot, let me repeat it again, you cannot make your 3D sublimation phone case with the regular heat press that you have or the Cricut heat press. You need a good old handy dandy 3D heat press, okay? And I'm gonna show you exactly what that looks like. This is my handy dandy St-2030, right? Yeah, St-2030 free sub 3D vacuum heat press. Yes, it's pretty big, as you can see. In another later video, I will be showing y'all all of the functions and all of the heat measurements. We're gonna actually make a case together on camera, but for today, this is what you need, okay? So with the 3D vacuum heat press, it's so many different things that I love more about the 3D sublimation cases versus the 2D ones. For starters, right? If you're into sublimation, this is the regular case that you will get that you can get from Alibaba, InnoSub, Amazon. These are what your cases will or can look like. When it comes down to the 2D cases, L'Oreal, loves me a good glass case. Now, yes, with the glass cases, yes, they can fall and they can crack. But the look of it, if you don't have like Butterfinger hands, the glass case is what really does it for me. If you make your phone cases with your sublimation printer and heat press, you know that the sublimation cases come into two different materials. You have your glass plate and then you have your aluminum plate. Now with your sublimation glass plate, you don't have to do too much when you're pressing it. Like, you don't have to mirror the image. You can literally have the image as it is, press it, boom. With your aluminum plate, you have to mirror your image. So that's like one of the reasons why I personally love the glass plate a little bit more. And plus the glass plates just give a little bit more of a classy look to it. But y'all, with y'all 3D cases, you literally get so much more coverage for your phone. And if you're clumsy like me, it's literally the best. So you have literally two cases in one. So you have the rubber like these. Can y'all see it? You got the rubber like this, and then you have the outer plates that literally just clips onto it, and it's literally the best thing since sliced bread. And it's higher quality because you always want to upgrade in life, okay? So if y'all have any questions about 3D sublimation or any questions about my sublimation machine, I'll be answering them. And you know, we're gonna do another update video on another time, but until next time.